So Home Depot special buy of the day today is going to be your power tools. So they got assortment of some Milwaukee DeWalt, some Ryobi, and rigid power tools. Some of these are going to be repeats. So if you guys follow the channel, I do these special buys of the day once a week when it comes to power tools, just to keep you guys updated on what they got. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So first up, we got the Spring Black Friday deal also. So this is not just the special buy of the day. This is also the Spring Black Friday deal that they still got going on. But this is a decent deal, the M18 fuel. So you're getting two fuel tools here. You get the hammer drill and the impact driver combo kit. So you get two 5 amp hour batteries. You get your charger, hard case, and then you're also going to get the high output 8 amp hour battery. This one's going to come in at $349. No surprise here. This has been going on for a little while because they've been doing the Spring Black Friday sale for a little while. Next up, we got the DeWalt Tough System, another Spring Black Friday sale deal. $4.99 for this. This is a pretty nice system here. I like how they included the Tough Built rolling toolbox with this one. And with this one, you're not getting any lights, no work lights with this one. All tools. You get your impact, get the drill, multi-tool, angle grinder, circular saw. You get the sander, a couple batteries, and the charger with the nice Tough System case. Coming in at $500. So not a bad deal for you guys that are into the DeWalt line. Next up, we got the Ryobi 1/2-inch impact wrench kit. This is going to come with the 4 amp hour battery. Nice light duty impact wrench there. Only $100. And then they got the M12 fuel, hammer drill, impact driver, a couple different size batteries coming with this one. You get your 5 amp, 4, and then I think that's the 2.5 for $200. So here's a tool I've been looking at. Been wanting to add this one to the toolbox. This is the M12 3/8-inch right angle impact wrench. This one's going to come with a 2.5 amp high output battery. Coming in at $179. Another Spring Black Friday sale also. These are really nice to get into some tight areas. Definitely want to add that to my toolbox here pretty soon. Then we got some saws here. We got the jigsaw, and then we got the rear handle circular saw. And then this is also coming with the 8 amp hour starter kit, which is nice. Both of these are fuel. Coming in at $479. Got a couple impact wrench setups here. One for $329, one for $319. Got the 3/8-inch and 1/2-inch. Scroll down. You got your M12 4-in-1 installation tool. This is going to come with the 3 batteries, I think, also. Yeah, you get the 5 amp hour battery with this one, plus the other 2 smaller batteries. This is also a nice tool. $179 for this one. It's going to come with all your different head attachments, which is nice. A lot of different purposes for those. Once again, another Spring Black Friday sale also. $179 for that one. Not a bad pickup. You got your angle grinder with the 5 amp hour starter kit, $144. Next to that, you got the M18 fuel nailer. And this is coming with a 2-pack of the 6 amp hour batteries. So it's a fuel 30-degree framing nailer, $519 for this one. And then all the way to the right, we got the nibbler, the Milwaukee nibbler, 16 gauge speed nibbler. And this is coming with one of the 2.5 amp hour batteries, coming in at a price of $189. Got the pin nailer with the 2 amp hour battery for $229. And then we got some rigid tools here. Got some combo kits. This is an 8-tool combo kit. There's a look at everything you're going to get. You will get one work light and the compact blower as 2 of the tools, 3 batteries, the charger, and then 2 tool bags. Do like how they throw in 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries and then 1 of the 4 amp hour batteries. Nice combination of batteries there. This one's coming in at $369. Nice DIY kit there. Not a bad pickup. And then they got the 1/2-inch impact wrench kit with the 4 amp hour battery and charger. You get your bag for $129. And then all the way to the right here, we got another 8-tool combo kit. This one, you're going to get a little bit more tools. You're only going to get the light with this one, no blower. So you get the drill driver, the impact driver, the impact wrench, one-handed recip. You got that multi-purpose saw, which is nice, 6.5-inch circular saw, 3/8-inch right angle drill. Like I said, the light, 3 batteries, the charger, and the tool bag. This one's coming in at $549, but this is their subcompact brushless series. So these are pretty nice tools here by Rigid. $5.49 for this one. Over here they got the 7-tool combo kit for $5.99, and then they got the 3-tool combo kit. It's a nice little kit here for $2.19. You get your inflator, your impact. This is the mid-torque impact wrench, and then the grease gun. Tools only on this one, no batteries though. So make sure you got some batteries. $2.19 for this one. We got a couple Rigid saws here. We got the 7 1/4 inch circular saw, and then the jigsaw. Tools only with this one. These are both brushless. And then all the way to the right here, we got the 3-tool woodworking combo kit. So you're going to get your circular saw, your jigsaw, and then you get the sander. 2 batteries, 2 2-amp hour batteries, and a charger, coming in at $3.19. And then Rigid's got this 6-tool combo kit. This one's only coming with 1 battery though, so you're only getting 1 of the 2-amp hour batteries. So this one you get the drill, your impact, once again a light, and you get the vacuum. I prefer to have a couple extra tools instead of these, but that's what you get. You get your circular saw, and then you also get, what is this, a Bluetooth radio? Yeah, this is a radio, so I don't know, guys. So out of the 6 tools, you're really only getting 3 tools with this one because you're getting a Bluetooth speaker, you're getting a vacuum, and then you're getting a light. This one's coming at $3.49. I would like them to replace, I would like to see them replace at least a couple of these, the light, vacuum, or the speaker, maybe with a couple more tools. But $3.49 for this one, and you're only getting 1 of the 2-amp hour batteries. And then we got some Ryobi combo kits going on. We got 8-tool combo kit, and these are the HP. $5.49 for this one. This one's going to come with a light, but then you're going to get 7 tools, so not a bad deal there. All HP. And then it looks like you're going to get a 4-amp and maybe the 2-amp hour battery with this one. So 2 batteries. There's a look at everything you're going to get. So nice selection of tools with this kit. And like I said, they're all HP. You do get 1 LED light with that, but not too bad. $5.49 for that one. Next to that, they have the 6-tool kit for $3.69. So with this 6-tool combo kit, you will get the compact cutoff tool, which is nice. Don't see any lights or speakers thrown in with this one, so that is a plus. And these are also HP too. $3.69 for this one. And then all the way to the right here, we got the 2-tool combo kit, 1/2-inch impact wrench, 3/8-inch wrench, 2-amp hour battery, charger. These are only Ryobi 1 Plus, not HP though, but $139, not a bad pickup. Get some more Ryobi tools. We got the angle grinder and the 1/2-inch impact wrench, 2-amp hour battery, $139. Got the homeowner starter kit. I'll pass on that. Here they got the 1/2-inch impact wrench and then the inflator with the 2-amp hour battery and charger for $139. And then all the way to the right here, another 2-tool combo kit. This is going to have the multi-tool and the 1/2-inch impact wrench with the 2-amp hour battery and charger for $139. All right, so here is the Ryobi HP 10-inch sliding compound miter saw kit. Got this in at $229. This is the kit that comes with the 4-amp hour battery and charger. In my local stores, I've been seeing this as low as $200 clearance out. Let me know what you guys are seeing at your local Home Depot if you see the price dropped that low. I've got like 3 Home Depots in my area, and all 3 of them have it marked down to about $200, which is a pretty nice pickup in my opinion. Next up, they got the 40-volt 2-in-1 walk-behind push mower with the 6-amp hour battery, $249. They got the M18 Fuel Quick Lock string trimmer. These are nice. You can buy different attachments for the string trimmer. This one's got the pole saw included, and then we got the blower, and then you're also going to get the 8-amp hour battery kit. $419 for this one. And then all the way to the right here, they got the Ryobi 4-mode. This is the HP high torque impact wrench kit, coming in at $239 with an HP battery, and then you get your charger. You got the Ryobi 15-amp thickness planer for $349, table saw for $249, and the track saw for $229. And then over here, they got the HP 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, $279, tool only, which I don't know if this is a newer model or what, but up here, they got the kit for $229, so I don't know why you just wouldn't get the kit. Both are HP, both are 10-inch sliding compound miter saws. So yeah, Definitely better just to pick up the kit for $229. Got the Ryobi speaker 2-pack for $89. The inverter, $69. Got another HP lawnmower. This is the 16-inch for $179. And then we got the Ryobi cultivator tool only for $149. Got the Ryobi HP earth auger tool only on this one, $219. And we got the pole lopper for $200, tool only. And then it looks like we dive into some more Milwaukee stuff. Got the Milwaukee M18 Fuel SDS rotary hammer. And then the compact bandsaw. Tools only, it looks like. And this is coming in at $319. And this is also part of the Spring Black Friday sale. So this is going to last a little bit longer than just today's special buys of the day, which is nice. And all the way to the right here, we got the Milwaukee Fuel DA polisher. And this is coming with the 6 amp hour battery. High output, $300 for this one. Next up, we got the Milwaukee M18 pack out, 2.5 gallon wet and dry vac, and then you're getting the light also, 3000 lumen LED light. Get your attachments for the vacuum. $369 for this one. Another Spring Black Friday deal also. Got your M12 half-inch hammer drill with the 2.5 amp hour battery, $139. This is the M18 Fuel dual battery handheld blower. And then you're going to get the 16-inch chainsaw, $419 for this one. So this is pretty nice. Takes 2 batteries. And this is coming in at 600 CFM. So a nice blower there by Milwaukee, $419. And then we got the rigid grease gun tool only for $129. Seen this before. They got the job site table saws by Rigid 2-pack for $700. Here's a nice ratchet kit by Rigid, 2 amp hour battery. Get your little case and the charger for $149. Belt sander for $139. And then all the way to the right here, we got some hedge trimmers with the 2 amp hour battery and charger by Rigid for $179. Got the Rigid light with the 2 amp hour battery and charger for $90. And then we got the M12 Fuel 3/8 and 1/4 inch ratchets. Tools only for this one. And this one's coming in at $279. Got the Ryobi 40 volt 12-inch string trimmer. And then you got the blower. This is coming with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. The blower is 450 CFM, so not too bad. 12-inch string trimmer. I don't think this also does edging, but of course, if you're a little creative, you can use any string trimmer to edge. $200 for this one. And then over here, we got the Rigid. This is their brushless angle grinder kit. And this one's going to come with the 4 amp hour battery and charger. Grinding disc also, a $159. Got some batteries for Rigid, 2 4 amp hour battery starter kit with the charger and then the bag for $70. Got the 4-pack from Milwaukee, 6 amp hour for $339. Got the Rigid compact miter stand for $100, and then it looks like we got some hand tools. We got the Husky mechanic tool set, $290 piece with the trays, $219. We got the Shockwave 3/8 inch drive, metric and SAE deep well impact sockets for $139. This is a nice kit here. Oh, and look at this. Get this item for free with a qualifying purchase. So we'll go over here, and so if you purchase one of these kits here, and they got a lot to pick from also, which is nice, you'll be able to pick up this 3/8 inch drive set for free. So that's pretty cool. So make sure you guys check that out if you guys are looking to buy maybe one of these kits. But if you're picking this up by itself, this is coming in at $139. We got the whole dozer for $97. Got the oscillating multi-tool blade kit for $38.97. And then all the way to the right here, we got some batteries. We got the 6 amp and the 3 amp hour 4-pack for $289. Got some more Milwaukee stuff. Got the Shockwave driver bit set, $34.97. This is a 90 piece. These are pretty nice also. Nice case it comes in. Once again, another Spring Black Friday sale also. Got the 9-piece blade kit for $44.97. Got some drill bits. Got the Rigid 175 watt power inverter with the 2 amp hour battery and charger for only 79 bucks. That's not bad. Got some Rigid batteries here. 4-pack of the 6 amp for $229. Got some 8 amp EXP batteries for $200. And then all the way to the right here, you got the 3 amp hour batteries. These are the Bluetooth batteries, 2-pack, charger, and the bag for $139. Next up, we got some cutoff wheels by Rigid. This is a 6-piece kit for 20 bucks. Glue gun by Ryobi. Got the reset blades. And then all the way to the right, we got the dual port charger with the 2 amp hour battery for $79. Got some Ryobi impact sockets, 11-piece for 28 bucks. Not too bad. Sandpaper. Here they got the Ryobi HP. So we got the 8 amp hour and I think 2 4 amp hour batteries with this one. Yeah, 2 4 amp hour batteries and the huge 8 amp hour battery. Coming in at 200 bucks. Got some DeWalt batteries. Got the 4-pack of the 3 amp hour batteries for $149. And then we got the DeWalt tool set here, 108-piece for 60 bucks. 100-foot laser for 70 bucks. Got some more Husky tools here. We got the wrench set. This is a 30-piece for $140. And we got the Rigid buy one get one, it looks like. Batteries, 2 amp hour battery, coming in at 70 bucks. All right, guys, so that's it. That is the special buys of the day. But remember, these are also Spring Black Friday deals. So those deals are going to last a little bit longer. They've been going on for a while. And I think they got a couple more days going on for that sale. So it should be good until this weekend for a lot of these deals. Hopefully you guys found the video useful. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.